Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new source code of Hyip Investment website. So basically this is the Investpro latest version script and you can use this as Hyip Investment and banking website as well. So be with us and watch this video till the end, and in this video I will completely guide you about this source code and how you can configure all those things, how you can control this website from admin panel. So site is completely controllable from admin panels, and here you can see that I just installed it on my subdomain. So you can see right here demo2.scriptsmasher.in. And if you want to buy this source code from us, to contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us and buy this source code from us on a very low price from market. So let's start this video. First of all, you can look at its amazing homepage right here, and you can change these text, images, whatever is homepage. You can change these things. Here is about us section. You can change this about us section as well. Here is go get ahead section. So you can change these details. Whatever you want to change, you can change this section. Here is a referral plan section. So you can see everything right here. Profit calculator. User can calculate its profit according to its plan. So this is the latest transaction. So when user will deposit or withdraw money, the transactions will be appeared right here. Here is a referral program. So you can see it's very amazing referral thing right here. So you can use it as referral marketing website. These are top investor section. These are the plan section. So you can see ROE plans are here, and you can see the details of plan right here. And these are the fixed investment plans. So you can list these plans from admin panel. In this video, I will also show you how you can list those plans. And you will get many automatic payment gateways as well. So you can see all those automatic payment gateways, and you can create your own manual gateway as well. And you can also insert blogs on website. These are some footer section, and you can completely change this website from admin panel. And you can also visit these pages separately if you want to. Now let's go to login. So viewers, this is the login page of this website. You can log in with Google, Facebook, and now if you have an account, you can easily log in using your account details. So in this currently we don't have an account, so we'll just log in. So I will enter my full name, Script Smasher. Here I have to enter my email, so I'm just entering the random details because I have turned off the two-factor authentication from admin panel. So we can easily log in with demo details from here. So now just click on register. So viewers, here you can see that we have successfully logged into our user panel of this website. So this is the amazing user panel of this website. So here is how user can use this website. Now let me also show you how it looks like in mobile. So it's completely mobile responsive. So mobile users can easily use this site from here. So this is how mobile users can use this website. So viewers, first of all, user can see its total balance, total earning, total withdrawals, total monthly deposit, total withdrawals, and this is total earning of user, total pending withdraw, total fund transfers, and this is a monthly fund transfer details. So user can see everything right here. So this is the referral link. So user can refer different user using this referral link. So you can copy this link from here, and you can refer different users. So here we can go to wallet option. So you will get different wallets option here. So you can see your wallet. Currently there is only one BTC wallet, default wallet, but if you want to create new wallet, you can create it from here. So you can create any wallet and send and receive your BTC from here. So this is how you can send BTC or receive BTC. So it completely depends on you. Here you can see your transaction log or transaction log. This is a deposit section, so you can deposit money on the website. So here you can select the amount you want to deposit, and when you click on next, so by using all these automatic gateways or manual gateway, you can turn them on off from admin panel. So you can deposit money using any of the gateway you want. So it completely depends on you. And here is the investment plan section. So user can go to investment plans and invest in different plans. So let's click it. So these are all the plans on the website. So you can directly buy now, click on buy now and invest the money you want to invest in the plan from here. So it's completely easy. Fixed investment and ROE plans are here. You can invest in this plan. Here you can see all your referral tree. You can transfer funds from one account to another. You can see transaction log. Min crypto option is here. So there is a withdraw options. You can withdraw money using any of the gateway. There is a script smasher, mean our name is here. So you can change your profile setting, KYC setting, support, you can generate tickets. Here you can change your password and you can directly log out. And if you want to use this website in any of your country language, you can use this simply from here. So currently there is only one language, but I will show you how you can add a new language from admin panel. So viewers, now I am directly going to my admin panel of this website. So I will just go to my search bar and I will type /admin. So to log into admin, first of all, we must have to log out from this account. So now let's type /admin. So this is the admin panel of this website. Now I can easily log in to admin panel using my details. So I will log in. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin dashboard. So it's completely easy and easy to use, and it's very amazing dashboard. You can see it right here. First of all, you can see your total users, total active users, ban users, total investments on the website, total deposits. So site is completely newly created, so you can see everything is new. And from here you can see the notifications of the website. You can change your profile settings from here. You can turn on of dark mode from this section. So it's completely very amazing and it's easy to use. Here is a KYC form. You can create a KYC form for users. For going to KYC form, this is a manage role option. You can create groups and for your employees, and you can see your user list from here. So I'm going to user list. So you can see all the users on the website, means controllers of your website, admin and manager. So you can change them from here and you can add a new users to your website. Here is ISO wallet option. So you can insert any coin from here. So you can turn on off this status from here, and you can change the currency of your wallet from here. So you can use any of the coin for your wallet. Here, as I told you, you can create a plan on the website. Just go to add plan. So by filling this simple detail, plan name, plan type, you can insert a plan from here easily. And here you can manage the plan from here. So this is the referral section option. So from here you can create as many as referral levels of commission you want. You can create multiple levels of commission. So when user will refer other user will get commission up to that number of levels. So this is a transaction log. Admin can view the all the transaction logs of the website. Here admin can view all the users on the website. So from here admin can see all the users that are on its website, and admin can completely manage them, add balances to their accounts. So just click on view. So from here admin can add balance to users account. From here add or deduct balance. So from here admin can add or subtract balance from user account. So now I'm going back. Here admin can send email to user, see the addresses of user, wallets of user, names of user, all the details of user admin can see from here. So here admin can see active user, ban user, KYC logs. These are all the gateways on the website. So let's go to gateway option. So viewers, here you can see all the automatic payment gateways are here, and you can use any of the automatic gateway you want to use. And it's completely simple. You just have to edit and you have to put your merchant details and you can use these gateways simply. So these are, you can approve or reject deposit request from here. Accept, you can see all accepted requests, rejected requests, deposit logs. Here you can create withdrawal methods, pending withdrawal methods, withdrawal logs. Here you can see the support tickets of user, and there is a theme option. It has 3 different themes, so you can use them. So now click on the theme option. So here you can see all different themes are available, and if you want to use any of the theme, you can use them. You can use dark theme or light blue theme from here. And so here is setting option. You can change the name of website from setting. Here is email settings. You can manage email setting. You can insert any of language. You can use Google tools. From logo and icon, you can change the logo of website. From breadcrumb, you can change the main logo of your home page. Here are different menus. You can change web interface and menus from here. So this is a web interface. So you can see all those sections that are on our home page are here. And if you want to edit them, you can simply edit them from here. So site is completely editable and changeable. So you can completely manage this site from admin panel. So viewers, if you want to buy the source code from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. And the advantage you will get is we will provide you complete support and complete money back guarantee of the script. It's completely working script, and we will also provide you support for this script. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.